Despite Apple clocking in its third straight quarter of declining revenues, the tech giant staying on the path of share repurchases. Here with why that may bode well for buyback advocate Warren Buffett, we have Yahoo Finance's own Allie Garfinkle. Allie.
Hi, Diane. So Berkshire Hathaway, Warren Buffett, they're sitting on a lot of cash right now, $147 billion as it was revealed this weekend. Now, Buffett is probably getting richer, and that cash pile is definitely nearing its all-time high. And of course, the question is, why? In part, the answer goes back to Apple. It goes back to buybacks, something we've heard about a lot. And I'm going to walk through these mechanics for you a little bit. The first thing to know is that about 40%, a little bit more, of Berkshire's portfolio is Apple. And Apple's buyback practices have been indirectly impacting that cash pile since 2016. Now, remember, when a buyback happens, guys, reducing share count, bolstering value, and frankly, on the case of management, in case of the management from Apple, telegraphing the confidence that the stock is undervalued. Last quarter alone, just so you get a sense of the scale we're talking about here, $18 billion is what Apple bought back of its own stock.
Yeah, and a lot of that is just to match what they're paying out in shareholder compensation. That's a footnote here. What is Washington doing about buybacks? We've seen this kind of be a political football in the past. Sometimes it goes somewhere, sometimes it doesn't. But what's the latest there?
Well, I don't think it's hitting the end zone anytime to start there. I know. I was very proud of it. Yeah, I don't think it's hitting the end zone. I mean, President Biden has absolutely pushed back against buybacks. He's suggested raising the tax on buybacks. However, I will say that while this endangers buybacks, there's no touchdown happening anytime soon. This is a really entrenched practice, frankly. Remember, Apple in its case, just Apple, right? They routinely can buy back the most stock of any company in the world. And since 2012, they've spent more than $573 billion buying back their own stock. And in this respect, I would say Buffett and Apple are cut from the same cloth. Their insistence on buybacks in both word and deed, I think, is really important. Apple, just with the sheer amount of money they're throwing at it. And I'd actually like to leave you guys with something that Warren Buffett this year wrote about buybacks and, frankly, the politicians who oppose them. It's a little savage, guys. When you are told that all repurchases are harmful to shareholders or to the country, you are listening to either an economic illiterate or a silver-tongued demagogue, characters that are not mutually exclusive.
Wow.
I'll go for the silver-tongued demagogue any day of those two.
Oh my God.
Really? I don't know. I don't know. Economic illiterate? Yeah, no, silver-tongued demagogue sounds
hard.
better.
Wait.
Yeah, I don't know.
You don't like either of them?
Great, yes. But I love the football analogies, gearing up for football season. All right, Allie Garfinkle, thank you so much.